I'm the new guy. Really? You're gonna hate it here, trust me. Okay. Sir, Chewbacca and Han Solo in Sector 12. Well, don't just stand there. Go get him. Okay. Hey, I surrender. Let's get him, Chewie. Ah! Oh, man, this is horrible. Chewie, go get me the phone. Yes, sir. Here you go. Hey, Stormtrooper. There's Jedi and Master Yoda in Sector 12 again. Can you get him for me? Yeah. Sir, Jedi in Sector 12. Okay, go get him. Don't just stand there. Oh, I hate this job. Me too. Hey, these stormtroopers, get back to work.